Free Union 4 giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in Union 4s. I'll be picking the winner at the end of the month. Good luck. Free Union 4 giveaway. After this Union 4 giveaway is over at the end of the month, I'm gonna give away another pair of hype sneakers if you guys can get this video up to an easy 300 likes in the first 24 hours. We're a sneaker unboxing from the GOAT app. I purchased this sneaker for damn near retail price. This is crazy. This is a Jordan 1 that I think can only go up in price from this point forward. You're getting them for damn near retail. It's really a win. I don't think this can be an L whatsoever. I only see them going up in price to $150, $200, $100 retail. This is a really cheap, affordable Jordan 1 investment that you guys can make. Make sure you guys go out there and go cop before it's too late. This sneaker is straight fire. Let's get into this Jordan 1 unboxing. Before I continue, a huge shout out to Juiced, the sponsor of today's video. One of my favorite things about Juiced is their Chrome extension that automatically fills in your details when buying sneakers. As you can see on my screen, combining this with their restock notifications, you no longer have to manually fill out your information or scramble to find the link to check out. Thanks to Juiced, I've been able to secure multiple pairs for retail, all of which I can go resell for profit. Another part of what makes Juiced so special is their one-to-one customer support. So even if you aren't tech savvy, they will answer your questions and help you get set up. I highly recommend trying Juiced if you want to cop sneakers for retail. Using the code Danny Moore, the first 10 people to sign up will get 25% off their first month. You can sign up now at dannymore.juicedio.com or by clicking the link down below in the description. Thanks again to Juiced for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back into it. Sneakers are very expensive. As we all know, retail price alone is expensive. Well, a lot of us want to make money on sneakers, right? We use sneakers as an investment. We buy them, we wear them, we use them as an investment to make money. Sometimes we don't wear the shoe, just make money and move on to the next release. Well, this sneaker is a sneaker that you guys can buy right now for about $100. Retail price, and I only see them going up in price. It is a grade school Jordan 1. It's a really dope Jordan 1. It comes in the original box, the original Jordan 1 box. They're fire, man. I own this sneaker in my personal size. This is my pair right here. This is the new pair size. We got a grade school size 6.5. Make sure you guys subscribe because the plans that I have with some Jordan 1s is gonna blow your mind. This video is going to blow up. I cannot wait. But anyway, $100 for a Jordan 1 is a steal. In dead stock condition, grade school or men's, it doesn't matter. It's a steal. With the original Jordan 1 box, this is not a pair of mids, guys. Not a pair of Jordan 1 mids. This is a clean Jordan 1 that I only see going up from this point forward in even grade school sizes. So like I said, I got them from GOAT app, and here they are. The Jordan 1 Low Neutral Gray in grade school sizes. Grade school specifically, because grade school retails $100, and if you look on the resale market, they're about $100. Go buy this sneaker. I don't see why these wouldn't go up in price. I don't think they'll drop to under retail so much. Maybe you can get them for under retail. If you can, that's a steal. I only see them going up in price to $150, $200. This is what we want with sneaker investments. Something that's cheaper, affordable, less expensive per pair, and then it goes up 50%. That's crazy. That's what I think is gonna happen with this sneaker right here. The Jordan 1 Low Neutral Gray, once again, grade school sizes. The grade school pair does come with extra gray laces, which is nice to see. Also, the white laces already laced on the shoe. Gray suede for the swoosh. All leather upper, which is nice soft leather. The leather quality is not bad. It's pretty soft to the touch, especially around the toe box. Nike Air on the tongue, and this is a OG Jordan 1 colorway. Gray bottom, very wearable, very basic, very easy to wear. I think that once TikTok really gets their hands on these, they're going up to $150 to $200 like that. I think they're going to go up. I don't see why they wouldn't. I do think it will take a little bit of time. You know, this one timing is iffy. This could be a sneaker that goes up to $200 in the next 6 months. This could also be a sneaker that can go up to $150 in the next year. So it's tough to say. I think it would be a little bit of a longer hold. I'm leaning towards that. I think for $100, it's a solid investment that you can go out there right now, go buy a bunch of pairs and make a lot of money on your return on investment. This is a dope sneaker. Very, very clean. I do own this sneaker in my personal sneaker collection. So we'll take a look at my size. Boom. Bigger. Much bigger. I do want to do a little quick comparison of the men's pair versus, well, the grade school pair. And one thing I do notice is the swoosh seems a little darker on the men's than the grade school. Here's the men's. Here's the grade school. On the back, a little bit different as well. Men's, grade school. Nonetheless, dope sneaker. I love them. I can't wait to wear my personal pair. You guys are going to love this video. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. This video is going to do insane. I cannot wait. I'm doing big things with some Jordan 1s. I cannot wait. A bunch of Jordan 1s. I cannot wait. I don't want to give the video away yet. Stay tuned. Trust me. Make sure you guys let me know down below in the comments, what do you guys think about the Jordan 1 Low? Neutral gray in grade school sizes. I think they're clean. And like I said, I only see them going up. It's $100. It's not that much money when it comes to these sneaker investments. At one pair, $100, that's nice. That's nice. We're used to spending, you know, $250, $300 on investments for one pair. You're gonna spend $100 and maybe go make $50, $100 in the future? Awesome. That is totally worth it. Totally worth the money. Just a dope shoe that I see going up, man. Girls can wear them, kids can wear them, and they're very wearable. A clean Jordan 1 Low nonetheless. Do not forget to enter in the Union 4 giveaway. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below in the comments. Let me know your size in Union 4s. Make sure you guys check out Juiced.io. The link once again is down below in the description. Thank you, Juiced.io, once again for sponsoring today's video. I highly recommend checking out Juiced.io if you want to cop sneakers for retail. Let me know what you guys think about the Jordan 1 Low neutral gray in grade school sizes. Let me know if you're going to go make this sneaker investment and how much money are you going to invest into this sneaker. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.